Today we will introducing the concept of the bank examination in you. The most occurrently the examination at the bank. Question number 1 is every component of your computer is either dash A input device or output device, B application of software or system software, C software or CPU or RAMs, D hardware or software. And the correct answer is every component of your computer is either hardware or software. Question number 2. To providing electronic circuit, the first generation computer used A large scale integrating circuit, B integrating circuit, C transistor, D vacuum tube. The correct answer is vacuum tube. The first generation computers used the electronic vacuum tubes. Question number 3. Which one of the following of the group have only input device? A mouse, keyboard, scanner, B mouse, keyboard and printer, C mouse, keyboard and monitor, D none of above. The correct answer is the device that only receiving input is mouse, keyboard and scanners. Question number 4. Dash can make it easier to play in game. Pen, B keyboard, mouse, joystick. The correct answer is joystick. To make, question number 5, to making the number of the product or directional arrow we press A shift, B arrow, lock, caps lock, D num lock. The correct answer is shift lock. Try it and make your knowledge approve and make perfection on your training.